Question number 4 is the explanation why an insect can walk on the water surface. First of all, you remember two concepts, adhesion and cohesion. Adhesion is the sticking together of water with other things. And cohesion is the sticking together of water by itself, water with water. So which one can be used to explain this phenomenon? It is the cohesion of water by itself. So the cohesion of water and the water stick to each other on the surface. So when the insect step on it, it doesn't fall down. So it can walk on the spotted surface. So the answer is B, cohesion of water molecules. Thank you.